one of the biggest questions everybody is having is, what is it like going to a Disney theme park with a mask? Honestly, the mask does not bother me at all. What does bother me is being out of the house, really, for the first time in like 4 months. So this Florida weather's kind of kicking my butt.
Tortuga Tavern is closed. They have even removed the menu from the outside. It's just empty. Seating capacity 1,107. We got one.
Wash your hands often and thoroughly. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing.
We are now off to do the classic Pirates of the Caribbean. No wait for Pirates, literally just a walk on. It just feels right to be at Magic Kingdom and to see pirates.
So they have Captain Jack meeting over there now.
Now if Ben was here, he'd be really upset because the Pirate Adventure is closed. What the f?
They have turned it into a nice relaxation station.
Okay, so they have a new like parade caravan and Merida's on a horse right now.
Oh my god.
She is so small compared to that horse. That Merida was amazing on that horse, and the princesses finally looked at me because there's no one else to look at.
I would say a large amount of the merchandise stores are closed. My umbrella's not doing that well.
And I think Mary Poppins has sent the wind to scare away all the nannies. Oh, this thing is struggling. All right, so we're about to eat a Cosmic Rays, so you're not allowed even in until you mobile order. So you have to mobile order first to even get in the restaurant. Just like that, bada bing. And now I believe they'll call us when it's our time to go in and get our mobile order. Okay, so now the next step is we've been put in a queue to go pick up our mobile order.
The condiment bar is no more. They have it all pre-packaged.
So we're just waiting here for our mobile order. I can see that Jared has already finished and he's just watching Sunny Eclipse play now.
Thank you very much. How about those space angels? Weren't they just beautiful?
It took around like 40 minutes just to get a couple chicken nuggets. Dom is still waiting on his just fries. But again, this is like the first day, you know, everything has its growing pains.
Now, in honor of Keith, I got some apple juice and little nuggets and fries.
The cast members have all been great. We had like 5 or 6 of them check our orders multiple times. I just think it was a technical issue. Man, I had missed watching Sunny Eclipse, eating my kids' meal, sucking on a little juicy juice. This is what helps Keith get through those long days. Now, we're currently about to go on Peter Pan. I've actually never gone through the standby queue.
Oh, look at all the cute mermaids. Ooh, Peter looks very menacing right there. What? Oh, poor Nana.
The queue is so good.
The real star of Peter Pan. Ooh, creepy. That is a creepy Jack in the Box. Can you catch him? Here we go. Oh, the best part. Here we go. Little pixie dust. What?
I've never been through that queue and I really loved it. It was just charming and it really added to the actual ride. So in honor of Splash Mountain being announced that's gonna be refurbed, everybody's freaking out, so we're gonna go ride it one last time.
I think the line for Splash goes all the way back here. So the Briar Patch
was open earlier. It has all the Splash Mountain merch, but since everybody's going crazy for Splash Mountain merch, they've sold out of everything already. Now if you wonder why the park looks so slow, it's because everybody's here in the Splash Mountain queue.
35 minutes in and we're finally entering the building. Will the new Princess and the Frog ride be sponsored by Ziploc? Stay tuned.
Words. The rabbit's gonna...
So they're not having it shoot out water right now.
sugar bar. What goes up his sugar mouth? Baby lost his baby found. How do you do? And you howdy back.
Oh, don't you sit there getting cold yourself.
Time to be turning around. He's looking for a little more.
Hello for a rabbit.
That rabbit was making a fool out of you.
Oh, he's not jumping.
Hey y'all, hold up there. I wants to see this here laughing place old Brer Rabbit's talking about.
Well, now, you done been sticking your nose in the wrong laughing place this time for sure.
That's what you find here to stay. Guess I shall do is what I said.
What are you doing, Red Fox? Let me go!
I got you, Brer Rabbit.
We'll show you a laughing place.
We're doing it!
Home sweet home is the lesson today. My, oh my.
Ma'am, I have a question for you. Why didn't I get my commemorative Ziploc bag for Splash Mountain? I heard they were going for $40 on eBay.
I mean, I'm sure we have a lot of them somewhere laying around, but I can't just hand it to you. And it would not be sanitary for you to just grab them because then other people could grab them. It's just
What's your experience?
coronavirus.
What's your experience with your face shield? How's it going?
It's not that bad. It keeps fogging up and I have to just...
There's just a little bit of a glare.
A little bit of a glare.
Yeah.
I can't really see anything, but I'm getting used to it. That's good.
They should tint it for the Florida sun.
sunglasses?
Yeah.
That would be nice. But then we'd have to wear it inside and then we just like wouldn't be able to see. Hello!
Transitional
Hi.
tint. There you
That's
go.
not a bad idea.
I'm guessing you guys know where we are. Road closed. Can't sit there. Road closed.
Hey, Henry, what's going on? Let's get on with the show.
Now, Buff, be patient.
Yeah, we ain't going anywhere anyhow. We're kind of hung up here.
Give me a little intro there, Gomer.
She's my woman through and through. I love her only cause her heart is true.
I think you should shoot him instead.
After you leave this love of mine,
Buddy, Bubbles, I envy you not.
every time I meet a guy who gets me shook, all I ever get from him's a dirty look. It's the same way everywhere I'm found. All the guys turn me on, turn me down.
Speak, get back.
Well, there he goes, he hardly knows the heart he's breaking.
Lovely, love.
I talked to him, but I don't think he understood.
Yeah, as soon as I find a ladder, I'll be right up.
What do you say, Sammy?
I say, y'all come back. You hear?
Yeah, that's right. You gotta come back because part 3 drops tomorrow. Man, I had a blast at Magic Kingdom. Dom and I just got back from going to Animal Kingdom today. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe because there's gonna be, again, so much Disney content. And if you want up-to-minute Disney content, I always update my Instagram story. I'll put it, my Instagram right there. So let's talk about kind of like what's going on during this preview. This is kind of Disney just testing the waters on how to handle the operations of a theme park during a pandemic. Now, again, nobody wrote a book for this. Disney is constantly adapting hour by hour, day by day, how to make sure the guests have the best experience possible. So I'm sure if you guys visit later this year, it's gonna be much different than from what I saw during the preview. It's gonna be better and more safe and more efficient. Now I will be doing a video of kind of like, should you come and visit the Disney parks? I'm gonna go to all 4 Disney parks first and then kind of make my judgment on like what's going on. Is it worth it? So one of you guys wrote yesterday, does Magic Kingdom still have the magic as before? The answer to that is yes, because you know. What? But it's a very different type of magic. We're so used to fireworks and meeting characters, but it's a evolving magic. I think Disney's doing a great job. They're doing the best with what they have been given and the parameters that they've been given to make sure there still is magic in the park. So if you guys are coming to the previews or when the parks first open, just remember, kind of have an open mind, like create your own new Disney experience, if that makes sense. Eventually it will get back to normal, but for right now, this is the best we have. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to show the video some love, hit that like button. I will see you all tomorrow.
Now I see they have these snakes, but I was wondering what type of snake is that?